Yeah, my darling. I fucking love you, bro. Of course I Are you recording me?
I feel like you'd be less annoying if I recorded you.
Hey, listen. Listen. Hey. Hey. Listen. Listen. Hey. Hey.
Ow, fuck! Stop, my muscles are sore, dude!
Hey, listen.
I hope your thing explodes.
Huh?
I hope your thing explodes.
Don't say that. Hey. Oh. Hey, listen. Hey. Hey. Listen.
Stop!
Hey.
Maddie!
Listen. Hey. You know where that's from? That's from The Legend of Zelda. Hey. Hey, listen. Hey. Hey, listen. Listen. Hey.
Maddie, stop.
Listen.
I thought it'd be less annoying if the camera on.
Listen to me. Hey. Listen. Let's go.
Fuck, that hurts. Fuck, Maddie. Stop.
Listen.
Maddie, you're so retarded.
Hey. Hey. Listen. Hey. Hey. Listen. Listen. Hey. Hey.
Maddie.
Listen. How is he still talking if he's torn in half? You notice his mouth just goes all the way to the back of him? That normally doesn't happen. He's fucked up. Hey! Hey, listen! Let's get out of here. Hey! Hey, listen! Hey! Hey, listen! Sorry.
My arm's getting red.
Listen! Hey! Hey! Listen! Hey!
Maddie, shut up!
Let's go then! I lost my tongue. Come on. Hey!
Stop!
Yeah, bitch! Hey! Let's go! Listen! Hey!
Stop!
Hey, let's go! Listen! Your face.
So annoying.
Listen. Come on.
No. Stop being annoying. Oh,
Test run.
not even getting you.
Test run. Come on.
Stop hitting me.
I'm barely touching you. This is what you're doing?
Oh yeah, this is what I'm doing?
No.
Fuck! Stop!
Listen.
Look what you made me do. Like when you hit me, when you hit me, it does it.
Hey.